Okay, Mr. Lal, serious questions are being raised by Joginder Singh and also by the government about the nature of this letter that you're talking about. They're saying that it's highly unlikely that the MEA would have written directly to the supervising officer, which is what you're alleging. Is there any documentary evidence to demonstrate what you're saying? And why is it that you haven't come out and made this public? And what is it that we know so as to indicate that Warren Anderson knew that there was a lack of safety measures at the Bhopal plant?
Yes, there was evidence to suggest that he was aware. Generally, that is, board there was aware. Now, this would have then depended upon, had he deposed before us, had he appeared before the CBI, then the things would come out. But there was reason, absolutely, reason that the issue was in the notice of the UCC principal board in USA, and he was the chairman of the board, so he was answerable. Now, individual liability can be fixed only when they are examined and their records are examined. But since extradition did not take place, it appears nothing else also followed.
But Mr. Lal, Veerappa Moily, the law minister, has come out and hit out against you. He's charged the CBI of actually going slow. He says you were the investigating officer. That's the point that Dr. Bedi is also making. You were the officer, and therefore you are culpable of letting Anderson get away. Why did you not at that time, which is the question that's being raised by the government now, why did you at that time not say, I will not allow this to happen, Mr. Lal?
That's the point.
One thing is, he has made it very, very broad, as I was listening on another channel. So, I have been agitating against, and I have been speaking publicly, as also through press, through office, everywhere, that CBI is brought under pressure in high funda cases, and CBI is not allowed to investigate freely. First, my article was published in Hindustan Times on 1st of March 1996, when I was part of CBI itself. And then my spate of letters to directors, because I can only write to the director and none else, to both the directors, I had again and again written to them. And then I wrote a book, Who Owns CBI? That is nothing but, it is clear that it is the government in power, that is party in power, that owns the CBI. So the whole book is there. What else evidence Mr. Moily wants? If he, you see, he only needs read this book, that how vocal I have been and how much I have been agitating on this issue. Now, coming to this particular case, I would like to submit to Mr. Moily that so far as my role is concerned, I came at a time when investigations against all these persons were over and they had been charge sheeted. So I had no role then. The case was under. The only issue outstanding at that time was that of Anderson. And in Anderson I have plainly said, and I had opposed, and secondly in court also, we did not, we went beyond the government, and I instructed the DLA for conducting the case myself. So I think all what the charges he has said don't stick to me at all. They don't come near me even. I mean, my working was so plain.
Our panel wants to react. Our panel wants to react to what you're saying. Dr. Kiran Bedi, you said he should have spoken out earlier. He's saying, as an officer who was serving in the agency at that time, all I could do was write to my director, which is what I did on multiple occasions. Beyond that, I can't indulge in insubordination and go to the media while I'm still serving.
No, he doesn't have to go to the media. But if he's written, what did he write? And why has he kept? Has he written it in the book? He hasn't mentioned that. If he said he wrote a book, has he written it in the book? That's another point. Secondly is that I think he could have excused himself from that, saying, I can't be a part of this wrong negligence or this conspiracy. I'll not deal with this matter. Pass this on to somebody else. But he cannot be supervising this and yet complaining that I'm being asked to do this or my hands are tied. You can't be part of that.